Hey guys, this is Cameron from FuelTech USA. Today I'm going to explain how individual cylinder timing works on different ignition setups. Right now you can see we're selected as a distributor, and we can do individual cylinder timing with this as long as we have a cam sync. Main reason is with a distributor we have one wire coming from the ECU, and that only allows us to trigger an ignition box or a coil from one output. The cam sync is what allows us to decide where cylinder number 1 is in that mix. So if you go up here, you can see that we have individual cylinder trim. Next, we can go back to our ignition here, and we can go to wasted spark double coil. What this means is we have 4 outputs for 8 coils on a V8 or 2 for a 4-cylinder. Each one of these outputs has 2 ignition coils on it, so it's split, and we do not know which cylinder is on which output and which one is firing at which time. What that means is on ignition, we do not have individual cylinder trims. It's just going to fire in a normal wasted spark fashion. Now we have wasted spark individual coils. What this means is we have one output for every single coil, and this allows us to decide which cylinder each output is wired to, and this will actually allow us to do individual cylinder timing because we have one output per coil, so we can choose which one we want to trim. And then finally we have sequential. This is where you have to have a cam sync and you have individual coils. The cam sync also points out where cylinder number 1 is, so we can fire these sequentially in the firing order, and it also allows us to do individual cylinder trim. Now on a rotary application, you can see that this is all grayed out here. The way that these are wired up is similar to wasted spark individual coils or sequential, where you have one output per coil. This allows us to do individual rotor trim without the need of a cam sync.